Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Rudy here with your yard service. Today, on a beautiful February midwinter mild day in the woodyard at the HQ headquarters of your yard service. It is firewood time today, and not just any regular firewood, but today I want to introduce you and have you follow along with our Birch bark fire starter, and more specifically what it is, how small it is, and what kind of bark, and how we offer it for our firewood sales. So let me take you along and let me show you what it all is about. So first and foremost, important, we always have a fire going when we hang out in the wood yard. So the solar stove Yukon is firing along. It's not doing what it's supposed to do, like the secondary burn around the ring, top ring, because I don't need a roaring fire, just need a little crackling there. What we are burning right there is some scrap wood and some punky stuff from our tamarack. So this stuff burning is not suitable for sale, so we burn it ourselves. Still a great firewood, gives a nice smell, and gives that cozy campfire vibe with the pops and crackles. Beautiful. So let me take you along what today is all about. So here we have our firewood bagging station, this tray here. So I've emptied a few charts of birch bark. Some of it is a little thicker because it has this underlaying, like thicker bark attached to the paper. So this is more like the thin birch paper wrapped around the trunk. This is a premium firewood starter, super easy to light up your firewood. Use a match, use a lighter, and it even burns when it's a little damp. So that's the most important characteristic of birch. It still burns fairly well when it's somewhat damp. I wouldn't burn it wet because then you still get smoked out, right? But saying this is all dry, has been kept indoors or sheltered. So we have so there's some thicker stuff and some really thin stuff, which is like super easy to burn, to light up. And you only need a little bit to start your fire, right? You don't need a whole bunch of this, which will lead me into how we package this. So we have this pouch envelope. Once it's filled, it kind of like stands up on its bottom, so it kind of like has a wider base on the bottom. We have a nice logo here with a QR code. With a QR code for, if it would focus, it doesn't, for reordering firewood, not reordering the birch, but the firewood in general. So we take a few pieces. I'm going to take you along. Just want to explain up front. So we're going to break some of this stuff down so it's easy to fill up and make this as full as possible while still closing up, of course. And then once we have it all bagged up, we shelf it, and then once we have a firewood order for our bags, we can offer this as an add-on special offer at the checkout. So this is what it's supposed to be for. It's not available for single purchase. It's just like a value added add-on to the regular firewood. So let's put down the camera and have it roll while we bag it. So here we have the, on the bottom, it flares out like so it can stand up. It's a little tough. Bear in mind, we only getting into this, so this process may look a little bit cumbersome while we bag it, because we haven't optimized the process. So this may seem a little inefficient. Try to break up some chunks here. We have a nice window here that shows the product. Just basically have a variety of sizes and thickness. Variety is good. It's all good fire starter. There's no bad chunk in here. There's no garbage debris. Some are just a little thicker, and some are a little like the typical paper bark. Like this is really thin, right? This is super easy to burn. Super easy to burn. Want to stuff it really as full as possible, but we still need to be able to close it without damaging the envelope. So that's kind of like, look at this guy. So here you can see it's flared out on the bottom here. That's what it's supposed to do. So it's kind of like standing up like so. Need a few smaller ones. We have little teeny tiny pieces like this too. So this is definitely more like a boutique style offer. Okay, so it's like full like this. I don't want to stuff it all the way to the brim here, but it still has to look nice when it's closed up. So it has a ziplock. I'm not gonna close it right now because I still want to have it, although it is dry, I still want to basically keep it breathing, because once it's closed, the envelope is lined with a coating, and I'm not really sure if it's breathable, so I'm gonna keep it open until we sell it. So it looks like this. You can see the bark through the window here, all the way filled to the top. So this is our premium natural birch bark firewood starter. add-on for our bagged firewood. And we have a few pouches of birch bark ready. Beautiful. So this is good enough to get us started on our project for offering more peace of mind when people start their fire. Good looking pieces of birch bark. So the problem I ran into, well, a challenge is, excuse me. So the challenge is because the chunks of bark are somewhat stiff, some more than others. So it's not all like a homogeneous filling that we put into the pouches. And the pouches are relatively small. And so I may consider getting some bigger bags down the road, although I do not want to, because smaller bags have more like a premium feel. I don't want to have, like, I don't want to give like a big bulk bag. It's more like a little add-on. So that's my little challenge here with the irregularity of the birch bark. Yeah, the small bag is a little stiff and it doesn't really mold around the pieces of bark for the bag to be kind of like properly filled. At least that's my perception of the whole process, and it is fairly cumbersome to fill them up. That's why I lean into maybe considering a bigger bag because it's easier to stuff it in. Yeah. Anyways, I think this process is not really dialed in yet. But that's with everything that gets started. It takes some time to optimize the process for efficiency. Anyways, guys, Rudy here with the Oriatus. This was just a little fun project here on a beautiful mid-February day. Somewhat mild, so it was nice to hang out at the fire, well, around the fire pit, getting some value added project going on. And anyways, guys, comments, questions below, or if you want to order firewood, give us a call at 780-218-8134, or check out our website, yuriatsvis.com. And with that, I'll see you helping you with your firewood. Over and out. Rudy here with the Oriatsvis. Bye.